I'm Sean, I'm a project director with Kindred Construction. An intern could expect at Kindred numerous different opportunities and exposures. I think one of the great things Kindred can offer is that there's exposure to working in an office environment, working on a site environment, working on different types of projects from we work on car dealerships to big custom homes to indigenous projects to multifamily. And that gives a real kind of breadth to what an intern could get exposure to in quite a short space of time. So it's not a cookie cutter approach where every year the same people do the same things. Like, it really will be tailored to the individual intern.
My name is Abbie. I'm currently enrolled in the Architectural Building Technology in BCIT. Now I am a project administrator. For the past 6 months, I've been involved in Vienna House project. My key responsibilities are tracking RFIs, submittals, labor costs, our lumber material orders. And currently, I'm in charge in tracking the Passive House tracker for our future Passive House application.
We really do foster a team-built attitude, but we do live and breathe a team-built mentality. I think we also benefit from being small enough to care and big enough to cope, so you get exposure to all kinds of different projects in what truly is a family environment.
My main challenge was having no background in construction and having to learn on the go. I overcame it by asking questions, repetition, and from the support of my team. My team has been giving me more and more responsibilities, and I think that has helped me build up my confidence in my work and my role.
Kindred has a proven record of developing people and allowing people a real platform to grow and develop their career. We have people who've worked here for over 40 years since the business began, and many people who've been here for decades. That kind of opportunity is available to everybody who walks in the door here, whether they walk in as a project manager or as an intern or anything in between.
Honestly, I want to stay in construction for as long as I can and see where that leads me. And for my goals, hopefully become a project manager someday. The only advice I can give are always ask questions, stay curious, and always try to be involved.